Hi, I am SHRAVYA from first year ISC brand, startup company EIN, product present name lipstick, product proposed name color gloss. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. It should match for every skin tone, adjust color based on our outfit, it should be organic. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name lipstick, futuristic product name color gloss. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: long-lasting formulas, sustainable packaging, SPF protection, moisturizing ingredient. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request to the viewers this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.